Farmer News Headcast by Sir Ifeanyi Atueyi. Topic: What determines your age? This may sound unbelievable, but many people do not actually manifest their real age. I have personally observed that many, especially some elderly ones, manifest three kinds of age. The first is the chronological or calendar age. This is the real date of birth. All people who were born in enlightened families have records of their births. In the villages, however, there were no birth certificates and deliveries were done by traditional birth attendants in homes and not hospitals and maternities. Infant baptismal certificates had information on the days of birth. Sometimes the actual date may not be known, and certain assumptions are made to fix an arbitrary one. The second age is the official one. It is the age used for public records. Many reduce the official age for the purpose of employment and retirement. They do so to stay long in service and delay retirement. The third is the biological age. Our body systems wear out at different rates. This is why a man of 50 years may look like someone of 55, and a 65-year-old woman may look just 60. The biological age depends on several factors, including genetics, aging clock, diet, physical activities, and attitude to life. Usually, nobody wants to look older than their age. Women, in particular, make serious efforts to look younger and remain beautiful. Sometimes, in the process of achieving this, some apply noxious preparations to their skins. Medical science has recently discovered one way we age biologically. Nutrition experts have found out that advanced glycation end products called AGEs are responsible for speeding up the aging process. The body forms AGEs, and we also consume them in certain foods. When the quantity of AGEs in the body gets high, they can cause wrinkles, sagging skin, kidney and nervous system damage, clogged arteries, diabetes, cataracts, inflammation, and other age-related diseases, and eventually death. AGEs are formed in the body when sugars combine with amino acids. High blood sugar, therefore, can trigger formation of AGEs. Research has shown that foods of animal origin, such as meat, poultry, fish, and cheese, have high levels of AGEs. Levels of AGEs rise when foods are overcooked. The higher the cooking temperature, the more AGEs are produced. Therefore, frying, grilling, and roasting increase the rate of AGEs formation. Foods of plant origin, fresh fruits, nuts, vegetables, and grains are lowest in AGEs. People who regularly consume a high-age diet have significantly higher levels of AGEs in their blood. When they are placed on a low-age diet, the levels of AGEs fall and the rate of aging declines also. Limiting sugar in your diet is a key to longevity because sugar molecules inflict damage to the body. Fructose, in particular, is an extremely potent pro-inflammatory agent that creates ages and speeds up the aging process. Consumption of food such as white bread, pastries, cookies, and candy increases the sugar in the body and adds to the havoc. Heavy consumers of soft drinks and fruit juices add excess sugar to their bodies. High sugar diets lead to obesity. Carbohydrates like fructose and other sugars destroy your insulin sensitivity, which in turn causes your cells to accumulate more fat. This makes it more difficult to get rid of the extra weight as well. Therefore, if you want to look and feel younger, drastically reduce all forms of sugar in your diet. By now, you should be able to ascertain your true age. It is not the calendar age, which can be real or falsified. It is not your official age, which is usually below the calendar age. We usually celebrate calendar or official ages, and many a time mark them with expensive parties. But the most important age, the biological age, which indicates the real rate of aging and eventual death, we tend to ignore. Today, machines are available to enable you to determine the level of ages in your body. If the level is high, you have to take the appropriate steps to reduce it and extend your lifespan in good health.